Replacement doors. Warren, Michigan can transform a home's security, curb appeal, and energy performance at the same time. Homeowners looking for door replacement. Warren, Michigan often want a solution that looks great, fits properly, and stands up to daily use in all seasons. From secure replacement doors and home door upgrades to new door installation and door repair and replacement, the right residential door services can improve both function and value across properties in Warren, Michigan. Front replacement doors. Warren, Michigan is one of the most effective ways to upgrade a home's first impression. A strong entry door replacement with steel doors, fiberglass doors, or wood doors can create a welcoming appearance while improving insulation and security. Many homeowners choose secure front doors, replacement entry doors. Warren, Michigan, or front door installation services to get a better fit, smoother operation, and a style that matches the house. Whether the goal is a classic look or a modern upgrade, front door replacement in Warren, Michigan remains a smart investment. Interior door installation is another important part of home door replacement services. Warren, Michigan. New interior doors can refresh hallways, bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets while improving privacy and sound control. Warren, Michigan interior door replacement often includes hinged doors, custom doors, and door fitting services designed to match the layout and style of the home. When a property needs a full refresh, interior door installation paired with door hardware installation creates a clean, finished appearance throughout the house. Exterior replacement doors. Warren, Michigan should always focus on durability, insulation, and safety. Warren, Michigan exterior door installation often includes steel entry doors. Warren, Michigan, fiberglass front doors. Warren, Michigan, and wood door installation. Warren, Michigan, depending on the home's design and the owner's goals. A licensed door contractor. Warren, Michigan can recommend energy-efficient doors, secure replacement doors, and the right door frame replacement if the existing opening has shifted or worn over time. This approach helps ensure long-lasting performance in harsh weather conditions. Patio door replacement in Warren, Michigan is a popular upgrade for homeowners who want better access to outdoor living spaces. Sliding door replacement and patio door installation. Warren, Michigan can improve natural light, backyard convenience, and home efficiency all at once. Many property owners search for sliding glass door replacement. Warren, Michigan or replacement doors near Warren, Michigan when their existing doors stick, leak air, or no longer lock properly. With professional door fitting services, patio doors can operate smoothly while adding style and value. Energy-efficient doors in Warren, Michigan are in high demand for homeowners trying to reduce utility costs and improve indoor comfort. Replacement doors. Warren, Michigan with insulated cores, tight seals, and upgraded frames can help control drafts and temperature swings throughout the year. Steel doors, fiberglass doors, and select wood doors can all be used in energy-efficient door replacement projects depending on the level of performance and visual appeal desired. For many homes, energy-efficient doors in Warren, Michigan are one of the best home door upgrades available. Storm door installation and storm door replacement. Warren, Michigan provide another layer of protection for entryways and exterior openings. A well-installed storm door helps shield main doors from wind, rain, and snow while supporting ventilation and added security. Homeowners often combine storm door installation with front door installation, entry door replacement, or door frame repair. Warren, Michigan to create a complete exterior solution. In Warren, Michigan, these upgrades are especially useful for homes exposed to seasonal weather changes. Custom doors and custom door installation. Warren, Michigan are ideal for homeowners who want a unique look or need a specific fit. Not every home uses standard sizing, and older properties often require door frame replacement or door frame repair. Warren, Michigan before a new unit can be installed properly. A residential door contractor. Warren, Michigan can handle custom doors, garage entry doors, and specialty installations with precise measurements and expert workmanship. This ensures the final result feels seamless, secure, and tailored to the property. Garage entry door replacement. Warren, Michigan is often overlooked, but it is an important part of residential door services. Garage entry doors connect living spaces to attached garages and should be secure, durable, and properly sealed. When a door becomes damaged, warped, or difficult to close, door contractor services can provide door replacement and door repair and replacement with the right materials and hardware. Many homeowners in Warren, Michigan choose steel entry doors or fiberglass doors for these spaces because they balance strength and low maintenance. Affordable door replacement. Warren, Michigan is available for homeowners who want quality without overspending. Local door installers in Warren, Michigan can provide replacement doors near Warren, Michigan for a wide range of budgets, from basic hinged doors to premium custom doors and secure front doors. Whether the project involves home door replacement services Warren, Michigan, door upgrade services Warren, Michigan, or emergency door replacement Warren, Michigan, working with a professional team helps ensure accurate installation and dependable results. Fast service is especially valuable when a damaged door affects security or weather protection. Wood door installation. Warren, Michigan remains a popular choice for homeowners who value timeless style and natural character. Wood doors can be used for front door installation, interior door installation, or custom doors depending on the property's design. Combined with proper door hardware installation and professional door fitting services, wood doors can deliver a warm, upscale appearance. For homes that need both beauty and performance, wood doors, steel doors, and fiberglass doors each offer strong options for replacement doors Warren, Michigan and door replacement Warren, Michigan projects.